Servo motor controller. A servo motor is a type of motor that can rotate with great precision. Normally this type of motor consists of a control circuit that provides feedback on the current position of the motor's shaft. This feedback allows the servo motor to rotate with great precision. If you want to rotate an object at some specific angle or distance, then you should use a servo motor. It is just made up of a simple motor, which runs through a servo mechanism. Servo motors are used in many applications, like toy car, RC helicopters, planes, robotics, etc. In this tutorial, we will see how a servo motor is controlled in various angles, using Arduino. This is the connection diagram of our project. Servo motor has 3 wires, red, orange, and brown. Connect the red wire with the 5-volt pin of Arduino. Connect the brown wire with the ground pin, and orange wire with pin number 11 of Arduino. Orange wire is used to give control signals to the servo motor. This is the code of this project. To control the servo motor, we will first include the servo library in the program. To include the library, we will write in the first line, #include servo.h. Servo space myservo. MyServo is a variable, which will store the value of the angle at which user wants to rotate the servo. Pos equals 0. Pos is an integer type variable. We will use it in the for loop. Void setup is a function that we create at the top of each program. Inside the brackets is the code we want to run once. As soon as the program starts running, myservo.attach 11. It means we are using pin number 11 to give signals to the servo motor. Void loop. This function continues to execute the code written inside it over and over unless we reset the Arduino hardware board. This for loop will give the value 0 to the variable pos and increase its value by 1 unless it reaches 180. myservo.writePos. It will give the value of pos to myservo. This function will rotate the servo motor 180 degree. Now in the second for loop, we are reversing the values from 180 to 0. Now servo motor will rotate 180 degree in reverse direction. This process will continue forever. If we replace 180 by 90, then motor starts rotating at 90 degree. And if we replace 180 by 45, then motor starts rotating at 45 degree. Now we will write this code on Arduino IDE compiler. After writing the code, we will save the project. Now we will compile our code. For doing this, press this check button. If there is any error in the code, it can be seen on the message screen below. If the code is correct, we can upload it to our Arduino hardware board. For this, we will first connect the Arduino board to the USB port of our computer. Now we will go to the Tools menu and select Arduino Uno. Then we will go to the port option and select the port at which Arduino is connected. Now to transfer this code to our hardware, we will press this arrow button. Our code is now transferred to the hardware successfully. Now we will assemble our hardware. To connect the servo motor to Arduino, we are using 3 small male-to-male wires. Now we will connect the red wire with 5-volt pin of Arduino. Connect the brown wire with the ground pin, and orange wire with pin number 11 of Arduino. Now we will power up our project and test its functionality. First of all, we will drive the servo motor in 180-degree mode. Now we will use the servo motor in 90-degree mode. Now we will set it in 45-degree mode. We can see that motor is giving precise movement at every angle. Our circuit is working perfectly. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something from it. For any help or to clear your doubts regarding your project, you can contact us on our student care number 7007957715. To buy the items used in this project, you can visit our website www.erroltech.com. You can give us the orders on WhatsApp also. Thank you so much.